Today I'm going to show you how to repair a diamond cut alloy wheel without using an expensive lathe. The first step is removing the curb Rash. I start with P180 sandpaper to remove the deeper scratches and reshape the damaged edge. Don't rush this step. A smooth shape now will make the final result look much better. Once the damage is gone, I switch to P320. This removes the deep sanding marks left by the P180 and starts refining the surface. To protect the bare aluminium, I apply a wipe-on to clear coat. This seals the surface against moisture, oxidation and everyday wear while keeping the machined finish looking natural. After the clear coat has cured, the repair is complete. No spends maskiner, hostpatinse the writing sequence and kerfinnen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next.